It is a sensational claim by a bookie who claims that the cricket scandal is much bigger. Beyond spots and overs, does it now extend to sessions?
Oh, has he got him? No!
This is the over which nailed Sreesanth during the match between Rajasthan Royals and the Kings 11 Punjab.
वो अपने दूसरे ओवर में एक टॉवेल अपने आगे लगाएगा, ये इंडिकेशन ऐसा होगा जो कि इस मैच में वो हमारे अनुसार ओवर करने जा रहा है.
Times Now's independent investigation reveals that not spot fixing but perhaps session fixing was the modus operandi used by bookies and players to allegedly fix sessions of the May 9th match between the Rajasthan Royals and Punjab.
6 ओवर का सेशन होता है और 6 ओवर का सेशन जब खुला था तब 41 रन का सेशन खुला था.
This bookie, who claims to have transacted during the match in questions, claims that the session was fixed in such a way that 41 runs would be scored. In the first over, only 1 run is scored and 1 wicket is lost.
6 ओवर का सेशन में पूरा सेटिंग किया था और किस तरह का सेटिंग था ये कि 6 ओवर में पहली ओवर में 1 रन आया और 1 विकेट गया.
Then the second over unfolds. The bookies have reduced the target from 41 runs in 6 overs to 40 runs.
It's a good shot. A very good shot for Moore.
दूसरे ओवर में 5 रन आए.
Ajit Chandila, however, concedes only 5 runs in the over number 2. The bookies further reduced the fixed target from 40 runs to 37 runs. And then comes Sreesanth's suspect over. The bookies do not reduce the fixed target as they know that Sreesanth will concede between 13 and 14 runs in this over.
4 runs, 13 off, 24 for 1.
उनको पता ही था कि श्रीसंत आएगा, 1 ओवर में 13-14 रन आने वाले हैं. तो उस हिसाब से पूरा सेटिंग था और उस हिसाब से ही भाव को पकड़ के रखा था सेशन को.
According to exclusive details with Times Now, police have information that Jiju Janardhan was present during the May 9 match held at the PCA Stadium in Mohali. So did Jiju, who have VIP access, signal the revised target to Sreesanth?
5 runs are then conceded in the 5th over, once again by Ajit Chandila. But the target fixed by the bookies still does not change.
For the moment.
The target was set at 37 runs for 6 overs, and with 9 runs conceded in the 6th, the bookies achieved the fixed target of 37, putting the role of Ajit Chandila and Sreesanth under great suspicion.
तो ये पूरा सेटिंग इस तरह से हुआ. 3 ओवर मिलाकर टोटल 11 रन हुए और उसके बाद 6 ओवर कंप्लीट हुए तो 37 रन का सेशन आ गया.
But what is more shocking is perhaps a signal from the bookie and Sreesanth's friend Jiju Janardhan, who has VIP access to this match. The signal perhaps used to communicate the revised target of the bookies to Sri and Chandila, which they duly achieved. Bureau Times Now.